On to Assam now. The State Health Department continues to push for increased plasma donation at a time when COVID cases continue to rise rapidly in the state. And despite increasing number of donors, the state is yet to match its requirement. We have this report.
Assam has been moving from strength to strength in its battle against COVID-19. From conducting record number of tests per day to keeping the positivity rate under control, the health department has been making relentless efforts to fight the pandemic. At a time when plasma therapy is being seen as one of the sure shot treatments, Assam is encouraging plasma donation on mission mode. Briefing media persons today, Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma said around 259 patients have been administered plasma in the GMCH alone so far, and all have shown satisfactory results. Sharma, however, informed that considering the prevailing COVID situation in the state, there is a requirement of 50 units of plasma per day to be administered to COVID patients who are in critical condition. Currently, the state can only generate 30 units per day.
और हमको प्लाज्मा चाहिए एवरेज डेली 50 पैकेट्स बट वी आर गेटिंग इट अराउंड 30 पैकेट्स सो हमारा गैप चल रहा है बट गुवाहाटी में इतना नहीं चाहिए सारा मेडिकल कॉलेज मिला के हमको 50 पैकेट डेली चाहिए लेकिन हमको 30-35 पैकेट आ रहा है सो थोड़ा गैप है वो गैप भी पूरा हो जाएगा तो हमारा मॉर्टेलिटी और कम हो जाएगा अभी पूरा देश का अंदर असम का मॉर्टेलिटी ही सबसे कम है 0.24 सो वो भी नहीं हो प्लाज्मा विल हेल्प
Sharma reiterated that if plasma is administered to a patient at the right time, it works like magic.
We have tried in GMCH, we gave plasma as of now to total 259 person. And out of 259 person, we had the experience that if we have given someone at very late stage, then it is not working or it has not worked. But if we give the patient at just at the stage when oxygen saturation start declining, then it works like magic. Overnight they get their oxygen saturation back, and patient is completely back to his normal activity.
It may be mentioned that besides making a clarion call to recovered COVID patients to donate plasma, the Assam Health Department has gone a step further to also appeal to those outside the state to contribute to the plasma banks. It's worth mentioning that the State Health Department conducted a record number of 143,109 tests in a single day on Wednesday. This has taken the total number of tests conducted in the state to a record high of 15,73,800. Health Minister Sharma believes that conducting more tests will definitely go a long way in flattening the COVID curve.
যোৱাকালি কোভিড-19 যুদ্ধত অসমে এদিনতে 1,43,000 টেষ্ট কৰি এটা অভিলেখ সৃষ্টি কৰিলে কিন্তু এইটো অভিলেখ কৰাৰ কামৰ বাবে নহয় এই ধৰণে আমি যদি কিছুদিন আৰু টেষ্ট কৰি থাকিব পাৰো প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াই কোৱাৰ দৰে যে কোভিডৰ পিকটো নিজে নিজে নোহোৱা হ'ব কিন্তু আমি এগ্ৰেছিভ টেষ্ট কৰাৰ কাৰণে প্ৰথম দিনাখনে এতিয়া আমি বহুতক ধৰিব পাৰিছো সেইকাৰণে তেওঁলোকে যিমানক ৰোগটো হিচৰিত কৰিলেহেঁতেন এতিয়া তেওঁলোকে কৰিব নোৱাৰা হ'ল
Bureau Report, Northeast Live.